Globally, the Nissan Kicks has been a great success. Well, the small SUV is finally in India, but it's not the same car that is sold abroad. Hello friends, my name is Yatharth and right now I'm in the Great Rann of Kutch. In this video, I'll tell you if this SUV can replicate the success of its global iteration. So let's get started. In terms of aesthetics, the Indian Nissan Kicks is in line with its global sibling. In fact, thanks to the usage of a new platform, it has grown in size. Hence, it looks bolder while retaining most of the design cues that you can find on the original SUV. We think that the Indian Nissan Kicks is one of the hottest looking cars in its segment.
The highlights of the front end include signature V-motion grille, swept back headlamps that provide an amazing illumination, stylish boomerang shaped LED DRLs and a force skid plate. In the side profile, you will be quick to notice the contrasting roof color which gives a dual tone appearance, diamond cut alloy wheels and a floating effect roof. At the rear you get stylish wraparound tail lights and atop you get satin finished roof rails and a shark fin antenna.
On the inside, the Indian Nissan Kicks isn't the same as what you get abroad. That said, the overall material quality and the fit and finish is quite good. The highlights include a soft touch panel on the dashboard, a floating type infotainment unit and a semi-digital instrument console. Also, I must add that some bits have come from the Renault Capture parts bin, including the AC console and the speedo cluster. The Indian Nissan Kicks is bigger than its global version, which means it's bigger even on the inside. Up front, there are many practical storage spaces, like this huge space below the center console. The door pads can hold a 1 liter bottle each, but the front armrest doesn't have a storage space beneath it. So the larger footprint has even led to a roomier cabin for the rear occupants. My height is 5'10" and the driver's seat is adjusted as per my driving position. Yet, as you can see, there's enough leg room, decent headroom and enough shoulder room as well. Moreover, I benefit from rear AC vents with a 12-volt DC socket over here and adjustable headrests. The only little complaint I have here is with the lack of enough under-thigh support from the rear seat. The Nissan Kicks offers a boot space of 400 liters, which as you can see is enough to carry the luggage for a quick weekend getaway. Moreover, the loading lip isn't high and you get a protective plate to ensure that the luggage doesn't scratch the rear bumper. Furthermore, you can fold the rear seat to boost the luggage carrying capacity, but you don't get a 60-40 split feature. So let me now get into the car and tell you how this car is to drive. Now the 1.5 K9K is a familiar unit, which means the Nissan Kicks drives a lot like the Terrano. Barring a slightly weak low-end performance, there's enough grunt almost across the rev range. The engine is quite refined and rev-happy for a diesel unit and should offer a good mix of fuel efficiency and performance. The 6-speed manual transmission offers smooth shifts and also a light clutch action. Now the BO architecture is a tried and tested platform, which means the Nissan Kicks offers a good balance between ride and handling. The steering is not only good to hold, but even offers enough feedback. It weighs up well with speeds, which means you can push this car hard into a corner. Well, there's some body roll, but there's nothing that you can't expect from an SUV in this segment. But more than the handling, it's the ride quality that has us really impressed. The suspension easily irons out the bad surfaces and keeps the occupants comfortable over most terrains.
Summing it up, the Nissan Kicks looks amazing. Has an upmarket cabin with a lot of features. Rides and handles well and even has a punchy engine. We feel that this SUV, if priced between Rs 9 lakh to 13 lakh, can actually work wonders for Nissan India's sales performance. So, what do you think about the new Nissan Kicks? Do you think it can attract buyers away from the Hyundai Creta? Do let us know by commenting below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and press the bell icon to become the first one to get all our updates.